Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. And today, you guys, I am back, okay? So today, I am going to show you guys how I made over $600,000 in 30 days while I was traveling with simple and easy eBooks, planners, and journals. So you guys, we are going to dig into this today because it is surely possible for you to make that amount of money. In fact, here is the proof, you guys. Like I said before, this was in the past 30 days, and I made that with faceless channels. And you guys, I did not have a lot of following on those channels. I did not have to have a lot of sales experience, and you don't either. So in this video, I am going to show you, one, how I did it, two, which products to use, and three, how to get started within the next 24 hours so that you can make your first sale. So let's get into the video today because you guys, I am so excited to share this. I'm so excited to really free my community because when I tell you guys, you don't have to work a 9-to-5 to have a full income, a full passive income. And if you're thinking, Coach Sam, this is going to be too hard for me, I don't have a lot of followers, and I'm just a beginner, you need to come to the front of the class because Coach Sam is showing you exactly how to do that. In fact, I have showed thousands of people how to do that. In fact, let's get into my shout outs of the day. So one of my shout outs of the day, you guys, it comes from Herbert, and listen to what Herbert wrote. Thank you so much, Coach Sam, because I have always been afraid of coming onto social media. I am an older guy and I've always been afraid to do it. But Coach Sam, the way that you showed us, the way that you pour into our community, Coach Sam, it is absolutely amazing. You guys, and this is what he wrote that really got me. Coach Sam, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 as a warehouse supervisor within 1 month of your program. Coach Sam, thank you deeply for everything that you do for us. You guys, this is just one of my testimonials, one of my great students, you guys. And I'm doing this because you can do it too. I do not want you working anybody's 9-to-5. I want you to build up these faceless channels on YouTube and on TikTok and go make that money and go live your dream, okay? So the inspiration of the day, and this is the inspiration that I want you guys to put into the comment section below, is that God will change it for me. God will change it for me because if you guys haven't known, I've been a realtor for about 10 years now, and I'm still a realtor, but you guys, I don't have to work. I don't have to do it because these channels and what I'm going to show you in this video changed my life, and I know it's going to change yours as well. So let's get right into the video right now, you guys. And before we get into the video, you guys, I want to let you know that I do have a coaching program that is going to show you step by step how to do this. Not only are you going to get all of the digital products that you see here, the ones that have made me over $600,000 in the last 30 days, but you guys, you're going to get all of your content made to put it on your faceless channel. You're also going to get our grow group and community. You guys, our grow group and community, all you have to do is put down your TikTok name and your YouTube name. We follow each other so that you can get monetized within the very first week. And also, you guys, I have free classes every single Sunday showing you guys exactly how to start the channels. So if there's any hiccup, any questions that you need to ask, the only thing that you need to do is bring your pencil, bring your paper, and come in there on Sunday because I am going to hold your hand to do this. I want your life to change because like I told you guys before, y'all, God is amazing and he can change your life. just like that. So if you are on this channel, you're on this channel for a reason. You're on this channel to learn, and you're on this channel to make that money, okay? So like, share, subscribe. You guys hype this video up, get this video hyped up, you guys, and let's get to it right now. Let's go. So the very first thing that we're going to talk about is how did I do it? And it's pretty simple, you guys. So I own 6 faceless channels on YouTube. 6 channels on YouTube, you guys. Like I said, my first channel is a budgeting channel. My second channel is a debt channel. My third channel is a resume channel. My fourth channel, you guys, is a motivational channel. My fifth channel is a biblical channel. And my last channel, you guys, is a kids channel. So 6 channels in total. Over those 6 channels, I have made over $100,000 per channel, you guys. And I made it by selling these simple, easy digital products on the faceless channel, or basically allowing my channels to sell my digital products. When I tell you guys that this is going to change your life, what I'm teaching you today, it is. So what we want to do is, first things first, you guys, I'm going to share with you what channel you should start first, okay? And everybody should start this channel. And I'm talking about everybody, because your spirit, you guys, can literally change your entire life. The first channel that I'm going to suggest is going to be a faceless motivational channel. And the reason why I say faceless motivational channel is because you make more money being faceless than you do showing your face, okay? You are going to let your spirit, your voice, you are going to allow your spirit to be free. You're going to allow your voice to be free, and you're going to make your money through those channels, through the faceless channels, okay? And please don't tell me that you can't do this. These channels rack up millions of views every single day. And you guys, that is one of the channels that has really propelled my income. And like I say, for every channel, I use a digital product on that channel to make money every single day. So let's get right to it. So you guys, this 7,000 digital products, you guys, this is already included within your course, within your program, okay? And like I said, I'm going to leave a link to that program below. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go down here. Like I said, there's over 7,000 digital products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the 800 journal pages, okay? So there are a number of journals that you can use so that you're able to go ahead and do this. What the journal that we're going to pick, you guys, is going to be, you can either pick the spirituality journal, you can pick the gratitude journal. In fact, there's 2 gratitude journals. You can pick the dream journal. You can pick any of those. Look, we have the gratitude journal with prompts for women. That's a very good one. That's a very lucrative one. Another one, you guys, let's go to here, is going to be the self-discovery journal or the self-love journal. And I'm going to tell you my favorite one, the one that I have linked on my faceless channel right now, you guys, is the gratitude journal, okay? So let's get on over here to this gratitude journal. So let's get on over here to the gratitude journal, and let's go ahead and brand it to our faceless channels so that we can go ahead and make money off of this, okay? So you guys, I sell this for $50 a pop. Those $50 have made me over $600,000 per journal. This is one of those journals where you make money in your sleep and not on your feet. Y'all put that in the comment section, okay? Put that in the comment section, because you guys really need to understand that the more money you make in your sleep, the freer you guys are going to be. It is called passive income for a reason, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. We are going to go to uploads, and I'm going to show you quickly and easy how you are going to transform this journal and make it your own. So we're here at the Gratitude Journal, you guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick a photo, okay? And like I said, this does not have to be a professional photo. Go somewhere in town, and what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to take pictures, okay? Because this is going to be on your journal. You can either use a photo or you can use a logo. It does not matter. Just put something on the cover that is branded to your business, okay? So we're gonna go over here. And then you guys, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna put this. In fact, what we're gonna do first is we are going to go to ebook covers, okay? Because we're gonna make this an ebook. So let's go over here to ebook cover. After we have the ebook cover, you guys, let's go to templates. Let's go to ebook covers. And like I said, I just want you to pick an ebook cover that has a picture inlet, just like this one, okay? We're gonna use this one. And we're gonna go here. We replaced it. And now you guys, the only thing that we're gonna do is replace the picture. And then we are going to put that title in there, okay? We're gonna put that title in there. So what we're going to do, you guys, is go back to uploads. And after we go back to uploads, what we're going to do is put that picture in. Boom. You have officially made your first digital product, okay? You have officially made your first digital product. So after we do that, all we're going to do is click share. We're going to click download, and we are going to download this journal, okay? We're going to download this journal because now this journal is ready as a digital product to share. Now this journal is ready as a digital product to share and put it on your channel. And after you have linked that, this is how you are actually going to make the sales, okay? When I tell you guys that I built y'all a business in a box, I really built y'all a business in a box. This was the second step, telling you guys what digital product to put on the channel. Now the third step, you guys, is how are you going to make sales in the next 24 hours? Let's go. So now we're here at your content. This is how you're going to make sales within the next 24 hours. When I tell you guys in that program, I built y'all a business in a box. Please just follow the steps. What you're going to do, you are going to go to the Melanin 800 lifestyle reels that are in my program, okay? So what you're gonna do is go to the 800 melanin reels that are in that program, okay? So all you have to do is go to melanin 1 or melanin 2, and you are able to pick from any of these, okay? Pick from any of these reels, and what I want you to do is I want you to go to ChatGPT. This is how easy it takes for me to make these faceless motivational videos, okay? So we're going to go there, and we're going to go to the top motivational quotes. After you go to the top motivational quotes, you guys, I said, give me 10 of the top motivational quotes for single moms and single dads. And listen, this is what I chose. It says, you may be raising your children alone, but every day you prove the one determined parent can create a home full of love, hope, and strength. That is such a good quote. So what do we do now? We go to copy, and we're going to take that. We're going to find a very, very good one, just like this one, you guys. This is one of the shorts that have brought me in so much money, you guys. And these shorts are literally just 6 to 7 seconds. I want to share with you guys, the 6 to 7 second content does better than any other content out there, okay? So what we're going to do, we are going to go to text. We're going to add a text box. We're going to add a text box here, you guys. After we add that text box, the only thing that we're going to do is we are going to put that text right in there, okay? Put that text in there. All we have to do is take it here, and y'all, You guys, your content is already done. When I told you guys that I pre-did everything for you, I have done all of your content. Everything that you need to post is literally in that program. All of your digital products are done. Everything that you need to link onto the channel is already in there. The only thing that you need to do is take action and start. Take action and start the rest of your life. So you guys, let's get right into it. And like I said, I want you to like this video, share with your family and friends, and you guys come in together so that you can spend your life doing what you want to do. Okay? Like, share, and subscribe. And you guys, I am going to leave the link to my program below. I love you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.